Tonight, we're going to cook an entire dinner for our friends from the pantry. So I have my friend Christine here again. Come. Hello. So we invited Christine and her husband Rod over for dinner. And once again, I'm going to serve them 2-year-old beef straight out of the pantry. So I think last time, or one of the times you were over, we had the 2-year-old chicken and the 2-year-old fries, right?
Amazing. Amazing.
So anyway, Christine has canned some shredded beef, but she hasn't used it yet. So tonight I'm going to show her how I like to use it, at least one of the ways I like to use it. So we already ate the hummus, and I'll put a picture of that up here. So I did can the hummus, and I don't know if that'll be posted by the time this comes out, but I'll put a link to it if it has. And then I know that the pecan pie video is out. So I have dessert for us here, and we're going to have some stew meat that I canned in August of 2020, and some salsa verde in it. This I canned in October of this year. And then we're going to have some mango salsa on top, along with a little guacamole. And that's going to be our dinner tonight. So I thought I'd bring you along. I'm going to make Christine cook while she's here, because she's probably the only one of my friends I could make cook. And she would do it willingly.
That's a good friend.
So, yes, that is a good friend. Yes, that's true. So hopefully you'll find this fun, and it'll inspire you on using your food from the pantry. So welcome. This is Garden Preserve. I'm Carter. I'm thrilled you're here today. Let's get started. All right, I'm going to try to get you guys where you can see everything. This is going to be Christine stationed over here. She's doing the tortillas. And then this is where we're going to do the meat. So I'm going to try to put you where you can see.
And how many am I doing? The whole
I
package?
think do the whole package. There are 10 of them in there.
Oh.
I know David will eat 3 of these. Okay, stew beef. It's a good seal after 2 years.
Yeah.
Alright, so Christine, I'm not going to use the liquid. I'm just using the meat. Fat's fine, but not the liquid.
Now, why is it kind of red?
Oh, because it had no air exposure.
I see. Okay.
Whereas this on top, there was air on top.
Could you eat it right out of the can, though?
Yes, absolutely. It's completely cooked. Already making a mess. So this is a little shy of a pound of beef in the jar. As you know, I'm going to make 2 of them. If we have leftovers, it's great for like a taco bowl or something too.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we'll let the beef crisp up just a little bit. And then I'm going to add some salsa verde and some peppers. So I'm going to add the little green chilies. The salsa verde is a little hot, so I'm going to do a little bit of salsa verde.
Okay.
Yeah, because you don't like it too hot, right?
I like it spicy.
Oh, you do? Yeah. Okay. All right.
Yeah. Now, what if I don't have salsa verde canned?
You can just use these.
Okay.
So Trader Joe's or Sprouts.
Yeah.
Well, everybody has them, but I like the varieties at Trader Joe's and Sprouts. So I've got a few minutes. I'll put a little bit of this in there. David doesn't think this is spicy, but I do.
Alright.
I may as well go ahead and open the mango sauce up. This is really delicious. Videos for almost everything here. I've got videos for the beef, so I'll link those. I don't have a video for the mango salsa, but it's the same recipe as the peach salsa. So I'll put a card up above for that. I do have a video for the salsa verde. And I think we talked before, I have a video coming out on the hummus, and there's already a video out on pecan pie.
Okay.
So I have the tortillas in my freezer. I have to get the guacamole out of the fridge in the garage. So basically I got nothing to invite you for dinner.
I love it.
How about that?
I love it. Now when you're canning things like the salsa, I mean, obviously we can't grow certain things year round. Do you
Right.
just go to the market and get organic? And
I did. When it's in season.
okay.
So, like, I think I got the
In
last of the tomatillos in order to can my salsa, because I didn't get very many. I didn't get enough to do a canning.
Okay.
So then my tomatoes, I have the rest of my tomatoes that I picked green. They're now red, and they're all in the freezer, waiting for me to make sauce.
But you really just stick with things that are in season.
Yes, when mangoes were in season, I made this.
Okay.
So when peaches are in season, I make peach salsa.
I see. Yeah, you know, I've been reading different nutritional sites, and it's really best to eat things that are in season.
Yes.
Although I'm still eating blueberries.
Sorry. You can get things that are frozen at the peak of season.
Yeah.
And those are just fine. Okay, so that was the green chilies that are in there. I'm going to put some of this salsa verde. I'm not going to put too much because it might be a little spicy.
Right.
And then with the mango salsa we're going to use as a topper. You can see the inside of that. It's really delicious.
So easy.
Ridiculously easy, right? I mean, if your tortillas were done, this would be almost done.
Oh, my tortillas are getting burnt.
Get the guac out of the garage. Over here.
In
See a
worst
little
case,
tortillas.
I could buy some salsa verde
Yeah, absolutely.
if I didn't have any in my pantry.
Right?
Oh, that was amazing.
So shredded beef tacos are about as easy as it gets.
Did you put the chilies in already?
I did.
Okay.
And we'll get a plate of a couple of tacos made up so everybody could see it. Oh, look, long meat fell over here. That's all right. And then we'll call the boys down.
Do you just want me to cover this?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Shazam! Let me mix this is all ready to go.
Yeah. Would that whole thing take us 10 minutes?
Oh, jeez. I love doing these little recipes. I feel like then I am more inspired to can.
Yes. That was the goal.
Yes.
That's why I made you cook tonight. All right. This looks great. Perfect. There's another minute to get a little bit drier. Salsa verde was quite liquidy.
Should we taste it?
You're welcome to taste it. Oh, you need here. This can be your fork. Let's taste it. Hot.
Amazing. So good.
So easy.
Oh
so
my gosh.
ridiculously easy, right?
Oh, I love it.
All right, so we'll put together a couple of tacos.
Wow, that was easy.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay.
Okay, so you saw that in real time. Well, I may edit out a little bit as I was moving around. I walked in front of the camera.
I think they're a little hard. I'm sorry.
They're fine. Oh, they're just fine. See that?
Oh, wow. And then the mango salsa.
Mango salsa
And
the
guacamole.
All right, bring you right over here. And I'm gonna have some guacamole. Christine, you get to do the taste test on the camera for us.
Oh, wow.
It's messy, don't worry about it, nobody cares. Mango salsa good with you?
Yes. Please. That looks amazing. Oh.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna pick up the camera so you can try these.
All right.
Isn't that cool? All right, Missy.
Super excited.
Yeah, go for it. Don't worry about spilling. Is it good?
Delicious.
And it took 10 minutes.
Seriously. I mean, oh my gosh.
Little messy.
Really amazing.
All right. Well, thank you for helping me cook.
Thank you for inviting us over.
All right, so we're gonna call the boys and go eat our dinner. And I wish you good night. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.